So you got yourself a shiny new LG wing and you want to protect it. I do not blame you. In this video, we're going to go ahead and install the SuperShieldz glass screen protector for the LG wing. Let's do this!
Gadgets.
What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets. Let's go ahead and take a look at the SuperShieldz Protection Professional Premium Tempered Glass Screen Protector. Now this again is for the LG wing. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features of this screen protector. You have anti-fingerprint, ultra clear, real glass, extreme sensitive, 9H ultra hard coated, and oleophobic coating. I purchased this off of Amazon for $11.99, so for $12 you actually have both screens protected because it comes with one for the main screen and one for the secondary screen. So cracking this open, let's go ahead and see everything that's included. Installation kit, you have a QR scan code for registration. Here's the screen protector for the smaller screen. And lastly, here is the screen protector for the main screen. They actually give you two. So let's take a look at the little package first. So here are the two screen protectors for the smaller screen with a cleaning cloth, and then the installation package. Here's everything that's included in there: your normal wipes, stickers, alcohol pads, everything that you need to clean the screen before you actually install the screen protector. The first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and clean the screen with the alcohol prep pad. This will go ahead and relieve the screen from any dirt and residue. Go ahead and get both screens. Next, I'm just taking the sticker to get any dust or anything. And now I will go ahead and install the smaller screen protector. Just to note, this is not glass. Okay, here I'll just do a quick final touch up to just get any remaining dust off the main screen before I install the tempered glass screen protector. So this does have a black coloring around the screen protector. So you should just go ahead, peel the plastic off the back, and then just kind of match it up with the little sensors that you see at the top. Okay, so I'm pretty confident about how I have the screen protector on. Let's go ahead and test out the fingerprint sensor. And as you see, I'm trying. So this is already off-putting. So let me try it again. And I finally got in. So not really feeling that. Let's try this again. All right, so here we have it. And then I'll go ahead and finally peel off the remainder sticker from the second screen. And I got two bubbles, which I'll get out. That's not too bad, but those will work their way out. So what holds true here is that there are no fingerprints on here, but the fingerprint sensor is a little finicky with this screen protector on. Mind you, this phone does not have face unlock, so yeah, I'm gonna need this to work. Okay, my lovely viewers, it's been a couple of days and I actually had to go ahead and change some settings in order for the sensor to work. As you see, I was able to get in on the first try, not the fifth try. So let me show you what I did. I went into settings, and then once you're in settings, go ahead and find extensions. Once you do that, go ahead and click on that. And then what you're gonna need is towards the bottom. Go ahead and toggle on increase touch sensitivity. By default, it's toggled off, but this helps when you have third-party screen protectors, and I also think as well as when you're wearing gloves. So once you toggle this on, this should help a bit when you're trying to use the fingerprint sensor. As you see, it's a lot better than the first day when I tried it. So there you have it, the SuperShieldz tempered glass screen protector for the LG wing. It's protection, but for me, I think I might have to look for something else that works a bit better with the fingerprint sensor. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried this screen protector and how your experience has been. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.